in the previous day lecture discussed about the introductory part of benzoin condensation. Okay. Then what is the condensation? In the previous lecture discussed in detail what is a condensation. When two different molecules of the carbon atom, they are joined with each other with the help of different reagent to use a condensation, because two carbon they are interlinked with each other. It's called as a condensation, and fifth name reaction is known as the benzoin condensation. It is the most important reaction. Okay, let me discuss about what is a benzoin condensation. Okay. Aromatic aldehyde do not containing alpha hydrogen on treatment with aqueous alcoholic potassium cyanide or sodium cyanide undergoes condensation to form alpha hydroxy ketone. It's called as benzoin. Okay, this is one more condition of this reaction. Without alpha hydrogen containing benzaldehyde or other aldehyde, they are treated with KCN or NaCN, that may be potassium cyanide or sodium cyanide, in ethyl alcohol as a solvent to use a benzoin. To use a benzoin is common name as alpha hydroxy ketone. Okay, let's see in this slide. In alpha carbon, this is a alpha carbon containing phenyl ring and hydroxyl group. Therefore, alpha hydroxyl ketone is obtained. This alpha phenyl alpha hydroxyl ketone or acetoquinone is common name as benzoin. Okay. एक्झाम मध्ये क्वेश्चन कसा येईल? राइट द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ बेन्झॉइन. कुठे मिळेल मग ते? इन चॅप्टर अल्डिहाइड अँड कीटोन, बेन्झॉइन कंडेन्सेशनचा प्रोडक्ट. ओके. Then next more important reaction, that is the aldol condensation. Okay. In aldol condensation, again divided into two parts. That is simple aldol condensation, when two same aldehyde or ketone they are react with each other to formation of a corresponding product. Okay, it is known as a simple aldol condensation or cross aldol condensation, when two different aldehyde or two different ketone or two different aldehyde and ketone, they are react with each other in the presence of alkali to use a corresponding product. Okay, this is a two types of aldol condensation. First is simple aldol condensation and second is cross aldol condensation. Then let's start now. What is a aldol condensation? Again, a word common here, condensation. Two different compound, they are interlinked in carbon-carbon bond, is known as a condensation. Okay. What is the definition of aldol condensation? When aromatic or aliphatic aldehyde and ketone on alpha hydrogen on treatment with dilute alkali. What is dilute alkali? It's known as soda, caustic soda, dilute NaOH, dilute KOH. Okay, this is known as dilute alkali. It undergoes condensation to form alpha hydroxy aldehyde called as aldol. The name aldol, Al suffix denoted by aldehyde functional group and OL suffix denoted by hydroxyl functional group. Okay, they are hydroxyl and aldehyde, the common functional group present in the product of aldol condensation reaction. Hence, the reaction gives name as aldol condensation. Okay, This is aldol condensation. What is example of aldol condensation? When you see in this reaction, when acetaldehyde, both are common acetaldehyde, they are react with each other in the presence of dilute NaOH, Na2CO3. Na2CO3, okay, to give beta hydroxy butylaldehyde aldol. Hello, is aldol condensation. माझा आवाज येतोय? हॅलो,
येस सर.
येतो ना?
हो.
जॉइन करून बघ. Aldol condensation. Here, this is the aldehyde functional group and OH functional group are present in same compound. It is whole is known as, here I am drawing this big circle. It is not circle actually, but this is a whole compound. This is a whole compound contain two functional group. One is hydroxyl functional group and other is aldehydic functional group. They are terminal. They are present in terminal side. Okay. This is a alpha carbon. This is a beta carbon. Then the name, common name is called as beta hydroxy butyraldehyde. What is the butyra? It contains straight chain 4 carbon. Hence is known as butyraldehyde. Okay. Or also known as aldol. Okay. This is an aldol condensation reaction. Okay. This is an example of simple aldol condensation reaction. Okay. When two same or different aldehyde, they are react with each other in the presence of dilute alkali NaOH, KOH to give a beta hydroxy butyraldehyde is a product is also known as aldol. Okay. This is an example of aldol condensation reaction. Okay. Then aldol on warming with dilute acid, then it gives alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. One of the most important application of this reaction. If you want to crotonaldehyde, then simple heating on first aldol condensation product. Then after heating, removal of water. Here, this is a proton present. This proton, it loses its 2 electron and removal of this OH minus, this H plus and this OH minus, that is removal of H2O. Okay, removal of H2O to give a alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. What is the unsaturated aldehyde? Okay, first of all, hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon are divided into saturated hydrocarbon and unsaturated hydrocarbon. In saturated hydrocarbon, which compounds are involved in saturated hydrocarbon? All alkane. They are aliphatic saturated hydrocarbon, and unsaturated, that means it contains carbon multiple bond. Okay, here alpha carbon and this is a beta carbon. Okay, this is alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. Okay, this is the most important reagent for preparation of alpha and beta derivative of corresponding nucleophile. Okay, समजा तुम्हाला इथे जर काही न्यूक्लियोफाइल जोडायचे असतील किंवा असे काही कंपाऊंड बनवायचे असतील, तुम्ही इथे अमायनो ग्रुप जोडायचा, हायड्रॉक्सिल जोडायचा किंवा एखादा अरोमॅटिक ग्रुप जोडायचा, त्यासाठी हा खूप महत्वाचा इम्पॉर्टंट रिएजंट आहे. ओके, दिस इज आफ्टर हीटिंग ऑफ beta hydroxybutyraldehyde or after heating of aldol to give a alpha beta unsaturated aldehyde. Common name of this aldehyde is crotonaldehyde. Okay, similarly, when acetone or acetophenone is heated in presence of dilute NaOH, then it gives beta hydroxyketone. Okay, another example of this aldol condensation, when two acetone they are react with each other in the presence of NaOH. Okay, why base is required? Because base abstract the alpha proton to formation of a enolate ion. First formation of this enolate ion, they are act as a nucleophile on the second aldehyde carbonyl compound. Then after mild acidic condition, protonation occurred to formation of a beta hydroxyl corresponding ketone. Here aldehyde are present, dense is known as aldol, or here aldehyde present is known as aldol. If ketone are present, then ketol. Okay, but not named as ketone condensation, only named as aldol condensation. Okay, not named as ketone condensation, only named as aldol condensation, because both are derivative of aldol condensation. It may be carbonyl, or it may be aldehyde, or it may be ketone. Okay, those are compound can taken from the starting material here. Okay, these two acetones, they are interlinked with each other to formation of 4-hydroxy 4-methyl 2-pentanone, also named as ketol. Okay, K for ketone, but actually suffix for IUPAC nomenclature ONE for ketone. Okay, but common name ketol, OL suffix for hydroxyl group. Okay, this is a fact. Then next, more important example. All of these examples are simple aldol condensation reaction. Okay. Then last, you see, last reaction, when acetophenone, two molecules of acetophenone, they are react with each other in presence of dilute NaOH to give 3-hydroxy 1,3-diphenyl 1-butanone. Here it contains one ketone group and beta position 1 hydroxyl groups are occur. Okay, this is an example of aldol condensation reaction. Okay. Then this is the name reaction. Okay. Then next part is reduction of carbonyl compound. Okay. You know reduction. What is reduction? Anyone tell about me? What is reduction? No. Reduction is a simple term. There are two definitions of reduction, three definitions of reduction. Gain of electron, then loss of hydrogen, then gain of hydrogen. Okay, this is three different type of reduction reaction. Okay, then first, reduction of carbonyl compound. The definition of aldehyde and ketone. It is the first oxidation product of primary and secondary alcohol. Why? If you oxidation of primary and secondary alcohol to formation of corresponding aldehyde and ketone. If the reaction is reverse, when aldehyde and ketone on reduction to give a corresponding alcohol. They are reversible reaction. Simultaneously occurred oxidation, simultaneously occurred reduction. Okay, but it is a partial reduction. If a complete reduction, then simple hydrocarbon are obtained. Okay, let's start now. What is a reduction? First is Clemmensen reduction. Okay, in this Clemmensen reduction, when aldehyde and ketone, when reflux with large excess of amalgamated zinc and hydrochloric acid, carbonyl group get reduced to a methylene group to give a corresponding hydrocarbon. The reaction is known as a Clemmensen reduction. Okay, this is simple reduction. Here, in this reduction, carbonyl compound gets converted into simple hydrocarbon. The whole carbonyl compound reduced to formation of a simple hydrocarbon. Okay, this is the carbonyl compound reduction with zinc amalgam with 4 molecules of HCl under reflux condition to give a corresponding alkane. Then ZnCl2 mercury is left with water molecule. Okay, example, acetaldehyde. Here two carbon compound containing aldehyde, formation of ethane. It's simple identification of this compound. तुम्ही किती कार्बनचा सुरुवातीचा अल्डिहाइड कीटोन घेतला तितक्याच कार्बनचा काय अल्केन तयार होईल. तुम्ही घेतला प्रोपेन अल्डिहाइड तुम्हाला मिळेल प्रोपेन. तुम्ही घेतला ब्युटर अल्डिहाइड तुम्हाला मिळेल ब्युटेन. तुम्ही घेतला 2 ब्युटॅनॉल तुम्हाला मिळेल ब्युटेन. ओके, तर हे काय एक सिंपल अप्लिकेशन्स आहे क्लेमन्सन रिडक्शनचं. ओके, you see in last example, second example, when taking benzaldehyde, this benzaldehyde which on Clemmensen reduction, only reduction of terminal carbon, not reduction whole ring. Okay, whole ring are very stable. It is not easily reduced. Okay, there is aromatic nucleus or aromatic sextate nucleus. They are not easily reduced. Okay, only reduction of terminal carbonyl compound or reduction of only carbonyl, sorry, aldehydic functional group cannot reduction benzene, the whole benzene ring. Okay, this is a Clemmensen reduction. Okay, then example of acetone. Here I am taking here three carbon containing acetone to formation of propane. Okay, here taking a terminal 2 carbon compound acetophenone here to obtain ethyl benzene. Here cyclohexanone to obtain simple cyclohexane. This is the application. According to Clemmensen reduction, only reduction of carbonyl compound.